What's up? It's Steve Williams, founder, president of the creditrepairshop.com. This is going to be a very short video because I wanted to make this. I had some emails and comments about uh, dealing with credit card debt, and all these people always talk about using a credit card to pay off another credit card because that new credit card has a 0% interest for a period of time. Well, let me tell you, I've never endorsed doing that. Number one, I've never endorsed doing that because what I found is that an individual that has trouble paying their debts are going to continue having problems paying it when they move it to another card. Also, what I've found is that a lot of people, when they move it to another card, rarely tear up the other card that the original card that they transferred the balance to. It doesn't work. We're about to go over in credit card debt. It's in the trillions of dollars, and so that strategy is not playing out the right way. Millions of people right now are behind on their credit card debt. They owe thousands of dollars, and they don't see any way out. And they've probably tried this flipping game over to another credit card. But let me tell you what you do. Let me give you some reasons why it doesn't work. Is because the behavior needs to change. Just going to some alternative like that's not going to work for you. You need to change your behavior on your spending, and then figure out a strategy to pay off your credit card debt. The next thing that you need to be aware of when people are doing this, they think that these banks are doing all of this stuff for free. Like just come bring it over, and we're not going to charge. Some of them will even pay you to bring it over. This is what you got to watch out for: the small print. In the small print, there's always going to be a carryover fee. And people don't care about the carryover fee because they see that they're going to have a 0% interest. There's also going to be a finance fee. Finance fees, you need to watch out for this. I talked about this even with auto loans. Even if you get an auto loan and you pay it off the next month, there's still going to be a daily fee for you even taking the loan. Bank's going to get their money. They're not going to wait till the end of 30 days and say, okay, this is how much we're going to charge you for the interest. They're going to charge you every day for that interest. And there's a finance fee just to do the transaction, a finance fee. Then the next one is going to be interest paid, where they're saying that it's 0% interest. Now, a finance fee can be different than the interest charges. So, in some of them, I've seen it two different ways. I've seen where there was like a fee that they put on top of doing the whole thing, and it wasn't considered the carryover fee. It was just like another fee that they had. Or you're gonna have the finance charges for doing it. So you're gonna pay a carryover fee, and then there's may not be a finance fee that you're charged right away. But, and this happened to a client that bought furniture from a place, and they had 0% interest for 24 months. They had one payment left, and they paid that payment late, and they tacked on all of the interest for the 24 months. All of the interest for the 24 months. They originally, this happened probably 7-8 months ago, but from what I remember, the additional amount that they had to pay was about 5,000. It was like 4,500 to $5,000 on top of what they had originally borrowed with the 0% interest. Because these banks are not stupid. Number one, they do that because they know that, okay, the smart people are going to take that and they're going to pay that off. They're going to just pay it off. They're not going to pay any interest. And it's like, damn well, we only make money on the transaction if it's a company that's has their own card. But if it's a company that went to a bank, and then the bank was taking the risk on the money, on loaning the money, they're hoping, they're like praying that you don't pay that off, because when you don't pay it off, you're paying for the people that were smart, that did pay it off. Excuse me, my computer is talking here. You're paying for the people that were smart, that did pay off the 0% interest. So watch out for that. These are big time scams. They're also doing them where they, reverse it, where they just say, well, we're going to give you something now, a discount now if you get this credit card now with the purchase that you're making. These are like all these different strategies that these banks are coming up with to get people to apply for credit. And so watch out for that. Watch out for the 0%, because there are fees. Read the small print. Make it, if you're going to do it, make this the time that you take the time and read the small print to see what you're actually signing up for. If whatever they're saying in big print is not what you need to watch out for. All right, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. Until next time, thank you.